Hi, my name is Demibi Ehigato. I'm making this video on behalf of Real One for IoT, that's ICAN Online Tutors. Of course, I'm an accountant in training. So once upon a time, I was looking for a superb learning platform where, I'd get value for money and be exposed to expert tutors who would give me a great learning experience while getting set for my professional exams. And IoT was just it for me. It fitted everything I wanted for an online class: convenience, ease of access, affordability, accessibility, you know expert tutors. It had all of that, and so far so good. They have done a marvelous job, marvelous work, excellent service, good customer care. I have passed all my papers so far. I have two more papers to go, and I'm just thankful for them and wish them all the best. I will highly recommend ICAN Online Tutors run by Mr. Real One. Amazing, amazing service.